So back in February, I went on a guys retreat with my church's student ministry and filmed the recap video. But I also filmed some BTS footage that I wanted to share with you guys. Just as a heads up, I wasn't the best at speaking on camera back in February, so just bear with me as you watch the rest of this video. And also be prepared to see a big change in hair length because I had short hair back in February, so yeah. So without any further ado, here is the behind the scenes of Anvil 2018. Before Anvil starts tonight, oh, there's green on the grass. Wow. It's only February. That's amazing. But before Anvil starts tonight, I gotta head into the office and get some work done and actually download the music file for the video. I'm not gonna play too much of it because I don't have the rights for it for this channel, but at the end of the video, I'll link the Anvil video. Batteries. Got the camera with me right here. Convenient rolling bag. I like it because it's kind of heavy and I don't feel like carrying it. I pulled over just for the sake of shooting a quick time lapse, but it's time to go home now, so I'm hungry. I'm ready for some pizza. Little adventure with the 6th graders. They're cracking me up, dude. Look at this view. I always love coming out here because of Alpha. What? 20 minutes. Breakfast is in 20 minutes. Don't throw rocks. Alright, let's go for a little tour. So first you got the living space right here, some bunks. Then if we head over here, the upper deck living space. This was my bed, the only bed without a bunk on top, so I was pretty pumped that I got that bed. Then if we head over here, got the bathroom. Bathroom is incredible. Oh, there it is. We got a nice big shower, so that's always a positive. Let's go to the deck. I didn't really spend much time out here because I just learned about it today, but this would be a nice place to kind of chill and have a nice quiet time. And that's a wrap for Anvil 2018. It's a great 21 hours. Got some solid community time in, good soccer, good ultimate frisbee time, good time in the Word. Great time with my 6th graders, love the 6th graders. Alright, Anvil 18 out.